Huh? Yeah, I'm gonna take this.
There you go. Switch it. Oh, nice, you guys. Put the pressure. Pressure, 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 guys. Push up. Hustle, hustle.
Come on, we want to dribble in the open space and pass. All right, rolling.
Double tap, go.
Step up to the line so we can control the middle of the field. And then just slow him down.
Here, right here.
There it is.
There you go.
There you go.
Tiger, you gotta come out if you gotta come out.
There you go, Jordan.
Rowan, step in the center of the ball.
330. And then right now it's 450.
Nice, you guys. Nice. With the pressure, pressure, pressure. Nice.
Help him out, jog into space, Andrew, jog into space. Nice space. Circle, hey, jogging back into the middle, controlling the middle, forward.
What color do you want?
Yellow, or no, I guess not.
Okay.
Yeah, orange.
I got one for you right there. Thank you.
All right, everybody walking back. Turn around.
Mark a man. Nice shot.
Here's $80. Here's $80 for the 5 games up top. And then 2, 4, 5, and then $10 for your 1 game.
Get one.
They're all checked in here.
No.
If you want the back pass, tell him back pass. Step up in that space. Who got your goal?
Was that? Yeah.
Good luck, guys.
Your player pass.
Yep.
So that's where you got to use that shield and just slow it down. Don't stop.
Carlos, you got the player passes?
Circle in front of him. Get your body in front of him.
Get down there, you guys.
Can I have a goalie jersey?
Yellow penny. Yeah, give him a moment. Pressure, pressure.
Give it away.
Look, you guys, it's between you and the
It's
goal.
okay if I just wear my normal shirt. Because we're blocked.
Yep.
Let the ball go through the ball, keep him in front of you. Good job, Bobby. Circle the ball, get your body on that ball, Sean.
There you go.
Look up, pass. You guys gotta
You got me
pass
back. You got
fast.
me back. For sure.
You gotta look for the pass.
Yep.
Way fast.
Give it away.
Rowan, you gotta.
Follow up, you guys. Get that follow up. Jackson, get it.
Turn it, turn it. Pass, pass.
Don't stop, don't stop.
Remember, it's gotta be quick passes. Just 1-2 pass. 1-2 pass. Not 1-2.
Pressure.
Circle back. Look at West Wesley's wide open. Somebody's got to be the last man back.
Oh, Wesley doesn't like to go last anymore.
Get between him and the goal. You got to get a body on him. You guys got to body them up.
Nice, Tiger.
Tiger, if that was your goal, you got to talk. Look for a pass. Look for a pass. You guys got to spread out. Avi and Andrew.
Take your time, Jordan. There you go.
Look for another pass. Jackson, you got to pass.
Hustle, Jack. That's you. Hustle, 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 hustle. There you go. Don't.
Somebody get a body on it. Get a body on this guy.
Nice. Nice, Sean.
Square him up. Make him request help. You gotta square him up.
Sean, guard number 10.
Shield, you guys are running straight into him. Slow him down.
Mark a man, Jackson.
Shot, shot.
Oh.
Guys got
It's all right,
to walk back
it's all right.
into the middle field. Andrew, don't walk. Edison, Andrew. Andrew.
Oh my God.